What's up guys, and welcome to the 15th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about functions, declaring them, defining them, and calling a function. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is type void and then error message or whatever. You'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. Close that off. Remember the semicolon. Alright, this declares a function with a function prototype. Next is int main. So we're now into the proper function, or the main program is what I wanted to say. std cout, enter 0 or 1. Next line will be to declare a variable, so int a std cin a, close that off, and then have an if statement saying if the condition will be a is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to 1. And now we can say error message. Yes. We shouldn't really have this or that. Okay. Close that one off as well. And next line is to put in your void error message. Okay, std cout and then print out error. That's a new line. Okay, let's just run through this program one more time. Okay, the first line we put in was to declare a function with a function prototype. So here where it says void error message, and then where we put error message again, this was just to call the function from within the main function. And the last thing we did was define the function header and the statement body with this. Okay, so let's save this and now execute this to see what we get. So build succeeded, enter 0 or 1. If I enter 0, that's what happens. Run it again. If I enter 1, it leaves the program. If I enter 2 now, see what we get. There we go, we get an error. If I enter another number like 59 or whatever, also get an error. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.